Welcome back. Let's unbox this Air Jordan 6 Retro UNC. The Air Jordan 6 Retro UNC White utilizes color blocking reminiscent of the renowned Jordan 6 Cartman. Hits of navy blue on the tongue and midsole integrate UNC's lesser-known school color. At the heel, a Jordan team patch nod to the jock tags that are stitched to the bottom of UNC's uniforms. From there, an icy semi-translucent air sole completes the design. Jordan brand drew inspiration from Michael Jordan's alma mater, the University of North Carolina, for the Air Jordan 6 Retro UNC White. The iconic silhouette carries a white leather upper with nubuck underlays in university blue. Subscribe for more unboxing.